Hello, how's it going? I'm Amanda from Amanda Around the Globe, and today I am going to be cleaning out my closet. I am a minimalist, and this is very embarrassing to admit, but I've recently reorganized this side of my closet. This side of my closet is an absolute mess, and it's so embarrassing. My last closet cleaning video you guys really liked, so I'm just going to show you all of my embarrassing closet situation, and let's get started. I'm just gonna start this video off by saying in Sydney, Australia, it's so cold right now. It's going into winter, so hence the sweater. Outside it's like really cloudy and windy. I hope you can't hear the wind. I also have a floor heater going because it's that cold right now. So I'm wearing my track pants, so no judgment. Let's get started. This is my closet. Maybe to some people it's not that messy, but to me it's like next level embarrassing. I'm not really trying to get rid of clothes today. I'm just trying to like reorganize my closet so it's not a complete mess. I have dresses here. So here are my jackets. I have this little visor hanging on a hook. It actually keeps its shape better this way, so I'm gonna leave that like that. I think I might just organize this bit. I need to reorganize my stuff up here because it's winter now, so I need to get my sweaters into an accessible position. This side has my regular casual clothes. I might just really quickly rearrange this. But a lot of these shirts are like summery shirts, so I don't really need these to be here anymore. Like the ones that I'll wear during the winter. So this is like a spaghetti strap shirt. I'm not gonna wear that. I'll probably wear that. I'm probably not gonna wear that. Probably not gonna wear that. Probably not gonna wear a crop top. Not gonna wear any spaghetti strap shirts, and this is a plain black shirt, so I'll wear that. These are shorts, so I'm not gonna be wearing any shorts. I'm just gonna put those on that side, and then I'm gonna put all my sweaters on this side. Yay! Now it's all wintry. Doing this at the very beginning of the season also curbs clothing spending, because once you realize how many clothes you have from previous years, you realize that you don't really need to buy any more new clothes. So then when the weather warms up again, I'll just pull these back down. Ugh. This is a wintry shirt, so instead of having it hanging, I'm going to fold it and put it over there. This is a wintry shirt. Well, it's like it has sleeves, so I guess it's wintry. So the main issue that we have is down here, and I need to arrange this a bit better. So these are all my bathing suits. I have a shirt here that's fallen down, which because this has fallen down, it's been sitting in the back of my closet. I didn't even remember that I had that. Now that I can put all my clothes in the same spot, like I'll know what I have to wear and what I don't have, or if I need to buy anything, which I don't think I need to. Here's my yoga mat. This thing really needs to be cleaned. Basically keep all my bathing suits in this bag. It's just easier for me. Here's a purse that Michael got me in Bali for my birthday. This is a really nice bag to bring in the summer. It's kind of one of those things that I only use for certain occasions, so I'm just gonna hang it with this visor. Beautiful. And then I have some bags here. So this I usually use for my gym bag, from like if I bring my gym clothes to work. This is my Nordis bag that I got for my Sri Lanka trip, but obviously that didn't happen. The bathing suit. All my bathing suits have just fallen out. Hence, here's some slippers I also totally forgot that I had. I've had these for like 2 years, so they're a bit rustic, but they work. Oh, it's dusty. Here's bathing suits. Cool. Fun story. I actually have this like picture frame, basically everything to do with the frame minus the frame, because I had a few IKEA frames that just would fall off the hook and break. So I saved the backing thinking that I would use them for something else, but obviously not. We'll just get rid of that. For the shoe rack, I think I'm just going to take everything off the shoe rack and then put it back on. I feel like that's usually the best method of cleaning things. These are crusty. These are ruined. Oh my god, I don't know when I wore these last, but they have been through some stuff. Yeah, okay. Here's my suitcase. I have a lot of my backpacks in that suitcase, so I'm just going to leave that shut for now because that's doing its job. Oh, I think what I'm going to do to organize this is I'm going to put the longer clothes, like these long dresses, on this side. And then we'll put the bag of bathing suits. So this will be like an open area, and then we have the jackets on this side. Wow, that's great. I'm actually really happy with that. Just gonna wipe down my suitcase, it's all dusty. This little bag that I just pulled out of the closet, I put all of my travel stuff into my suitcase because it makes it so much easier to organize my closet and to keep all my travel stuff together. So there's that. Maybe I should put my jackets on this side because they don't hang down very much. Whereas this stuff like hangs down quite a bit, and that's the problem that I have with the shoe rack, is then I can't get shoes out. So I think I'm gonna actually do that. Those ones hang down like side. How much better is that? This is so much better. And then I'll just hang my... So if anyone's watching this and thinking that I'm not that minimalist, well, like, I know that everyone has different ideas of what a minimalist is like and what a minimalist should be like. I've said many times that my concept of minimalism changes regularly, and because I have a home now and I do travel regularly to all different places, go through a lot of different seasons. That's why I have so many clothes now. I feel like I used to be able to store clothes at my parents' house when I was traveling, so I didn't have that much stuff when I was traveling, but because now I live here, I have to have a place to store all of my stuff, which is now my closet. Definitely have way more clothes than I have had ever since I became minimalist, but I do still consider myself a minimalist because I think that it's more of my mindset has changed from what it used to be to what it is now. I used to just think, like, this is getting so off topic, I know, I'll wrap it up soon, but I used to think that for every occasion I would need new clothes and I would just go shopping all the time just for fun, and I definitely don't think that way anymore. I always try to use what I have in my closet, and I rarely buy clothes now. It's just not something that I invest a lot of time or money in. I'm really happy with what I have, and I think that's the main thing that has switched for me when I adopted a minimalist lifestyle and a minimalist mindset. So yeah, that's my little rant. I'm gonna put these shoes back on the shoe shelf. Adidas, workout shoes, Birkenstocks. Okay, I am nearly done. These bags have to go somewhere. I have just had a brilliant idea. I'm going to put this whole bag of bathing suits into this bag, and I'm just gonna put this up here. This I am just going to have to also put up here, so I might move that over. I'm so happy with it. This is so much better, I think. I'm just gonna wipe down a few bits on this side of the closet. And then I'm just gonna switch the vacuum attachment and just vacuum the inside of this side of the closet. Michael, I wanna get this part off. Cleaning out my closet. I love you. Thanks, babe. Good to go. That just sucked up so much dust. I'm just gonna quickly dust the little bottom slidey things, they're kind of dirty. Okay, woohoo! I'm gonna put some of my shirts down here. That's a good idea. Okay. Long sleeve shirts with my regular clothes, pajama shirts with my pajamas. So let's go on this side. Just put this here. We're all done. Okay, let me show you the final product. closet. Let's open it up. Ooh. These are my work clothes. If you guys want to see my work wardrobe, I have a try-on work capsule wardrobe. I'll link it up here. These are my workout pants and some shirts that are like casual shirts, good for working out. Like I just go for walks pretty much to work out. So those are shirts that I can wear to go for walks. And here's all my sweaters, and here's all my long sleeve warm wintry shirts, and then my one pair of jeans. Here's all my pajamas, so my warm comfy ones, and then some tops, and then up there I keep extra work clothes and my pillowcases just so it's easier to switch out my pillowcases. I have my scarves, and then I have my summery pajamas. These are my work clothes. Up there I put my bathing suits. Down here I have my work shoes, and there's all my hats, and then my camera stuff usually goes there. Let's go to the other side. Here's the other side. So on this side I have my backpack up there, summery clothes right there. I have my long dresses to the side because those ones get pushed over from the shoe rack. I have some jackets here, and then my summery little visor and my summer bag, and another big fluffy jacket, and then here's the rest of my dresses. Down here is my suitcase, and then my shoe rack with all of my shoes. That's all for today. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you are not already. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!